idea. I mean, I think there are a lot of, we actually have a kind of an offering coming out in beta at the end of April that we're calling Beams, and Beams is essentially sandboxed ephemeral execution environments for agents. So it's almost the same principle, where rather than allowing agents to run inside your normal infrastructure and giving them long-lived credentials or anything like that, you run them inside a tightly scoped, an isolated VM essentially, which isn't given access to the outside world by default and has teleport identity available to it. So if it needs to query your databases, Kubernetes clusters, it needs to get data in order to do its job, you can sandbox it inside that environment and it can't talk to anything else. It stays in its lane. And that's one of the problems that we've been seeing people trying to solve for quite a while, is how do you enable how do you enable humans to use AI agents productively, but in a secure way? Because compliance and security has always got to be top of mind when you're dealing with this. If you give, we've all heard the open core stories and everything to do with this. If you give AI agents unfettered access to everything, you can have some nightmare stories, skills being installed that you don't understand and all this kind of thing. So you need some tight guardrails. And the way that we're approaching this is with sandbox ephemeral environments. So yeah, Teleport Beams is coming at the end of April. And we think that's going to be a kind of an interesting way to solve this problem.